Hello friends, how are you? As you can see this mobile ITEL A33. So in this mobile, just a second, you can see here I will show you interface this problem. You can see, if you like my videos then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So friends, in this mobile Google account verify problem. So I want to unlock this mobile and verification. You can see here verify your account problem. So I want to remove unlock this problem. So if you like my videos then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So first of all you have to change language and then click setup edit. If you like my videos then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You can see here setup as and do it. So friends, you can see here the verify account. So click open keyboards and hold on space button. After that click on scroll down and now you have to add any contact and open source. So friends, you can see here there are two options. There are share options and first step you can see here. And if you like my videos then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Step 2, you have to click on language change button. After that and edit pencil, delete this language and add any language, another language. And you can see here help center, delete or disable apps. You can see here search this link and you can see here first number one, share it and hold on message app information. You can share there are chant language but use step SMS apps and scroll down open links this steps. After that YouTube and YouTube icon, I have notification additional settings. You can see here scroll down last in about YouTube and YouTube team sub service and accept and continue, no thanks. Now friends, you have to search this link frpfile.com/bypass. Search this link and then I will tell you step by step, follow me. When you write this link then click search it. And now friends, you have to download two applications in this website. Scroll down and download Google Account Manager Android 8. Second friends, you have to download bypass FRP 1.0 APK. And now you have to click on download tabs. You can see here there are two applications are downloading. Now friends, you have to install Google Account Manager, install it. After that friends, you have to, when install complete, you have to click done. And next you have to download the bypass FRP 1.0 APK. When install complete then click open it and click on three dots, browse sign in. And okay, now friends, you have to enter your Gmail accounts. When you enter your Gmail account then click next it. When you click next then you have to enter password Gmail. After that sign in and signing now. You can see here signing completed. Now friends, you have to restart this mobile. So friends, you can see here there are setups. You have to set up this mobile, change language to SAM English, and start it. Checking for updates, you can see here. So friends, FRP bypass is removed now, account added, you can see here. FRP bypass is removed and this mobile is unlocked now. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos, and don't forget it. Adding the finishing touches, you can see here. This mobile is unlocking now. So friends, agree it and choose your country. Friends, this mobile is unlocked, completed, you can see here. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now bye, be back later, see you next.